Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's solve this question together. Now look at what we are given. We're given that x squared minus 1 is equals to what? Square root of x plus 1. We are asked to find the value of what? X. Now this question is as simple as ABCD. Now what is our first step? Our first step, what we're going to do here is to do what? Square both sides. Why are we going to square both sides? We're going to square both sides so that I can remove this square root from here. Let's do that quickly. So I'm going to add this is what? Into x to the power of 2 minus 1. We square here because we are squaring both sides. Equals to into square root of what? X plus 1. Then we do what? We square here. Now, square root, we cancel out square. So this will cancel out this. Okay, so we left with what? Into x to the power of 2 minus 1 all raised to the power of 2 is equals to what? X plus what? 1. Now, let's open this parenthesis. Okay, let's open this parenthesis. What this is what? Into x to the power of 2 minus 1. Okay, into again x to the power of 2 minus 1. All this equals to what? X plus what? 1. Wow, this is amazing, right? Now, x to the power of 2 times this x to the power of 2 gives us x to the power of 4 by obeying the properties of indices. Then x to the power of 2 times 1 times minus 1 have what? Minus x to the power of what? 2. Okay. Then minus 1 times this gives us what? Minus x to the power of what? 2, right? Then minus 1 times 1 will give us what? Plus what? Plus what? 1. All this equals to what? X plus what? 1. Alright. Now what do I this is what? X to the power of what? 4 minus x to the power of 2 minus x to the power of 2 gives us minus 2x to the power of what? 2 plus what? 1. All this equals to what? X plus what? 1. Now 1 can go out, right? If you subtract 1 from both sides, 1 will go. So now this is x to the power of 4 minus 2x to the power of 2 minus x, okay, equals to 1 minus 1. We'll collect like them. We'll bring this 1 outside, that's why it become minus 1. We'll bring this x inside, so it become minus x, right? Now see that x to the power of 4 minus 2x squared minus s is equals to what? 0. Wow. So what is common? Consider that s is common, right? S is common. So you can see that s is common into x to the power of 4 divided by s will give us what? X to the power of 4, 3. Minus 2x squared divided by s will give us what? Minus what? 2x. Then minus s divided by s will give us what? Minus 1. All this equals to what? 0. Remember, when the product of 2 terms is equals to 0, it means that each of them is equals to 0. Or you consider both of them are equals to 0. So from here, I'll consider that x is equals to what? 0. This is one of the value of x, which is also satisfy this equation. And again here we are having what? X to the power of 4, 3 minus 2x minus 1 equals to what? 0. What are we going to do here? Wow, we have to be very what? Careful. Now we are not wrong if we decide to work on the equation of x, which is minus 2 as x to the power of 3. Then we can write this as minus x minus 1 equals to what? 0. Because minus x is minus 2x. So what is common from here? You consider x to the power of 3 minus x. What is common is what? Is x into x to the power of 3 divided by s give us what? X to the power of what? 2. Then minus s divided by s give us what? Minus 1. Okay, what is common here? Minus 1 is common into minus s divided by minus 1 will give us what? X. Then minus 1 divided by minus 1 give us what? Plus what? 1. All this equals to what? 0. Wow, this is amazing. Now in here we are having difference of 2 square because 1 is the same as 1 square, right? So that means this is less than x into s to the power of 2 minus 1 to the power of 2, right? Minus 1 into s plus 1, or all this equals to what? 0. Now answer that this is s into s, okay, minus plus x into x minus s, because this is what? This is difference of 2 square. Minus 1 into x plus what? 1, all this equals to what? 0. Wow. So what is common here? We're having this is what? Plus 1, right? This is s plus 1, okay. Now consider having s plus 1 here. We're also having s plus 1 here. So into x plus 1 is common, x plus 1 is common, okay. If you divide all this, if you divide s into s plus 1 into s minus 1 divided by this, we're going to have into x minus what? 1, okay. Because this multiplied by this is something as this, okay. If we divide this by this, we're going to have what? Minus 1. All this equals to what? 0. And again, to this area, when the product of 2 terms is equals to 0, it means that both of them are equals to 0. You can see that both of them are equals to 0, or each of them is equals to 0. That means s is equals to what? Sorry. That means s plus 1 is equals to 0, or or s into x minus 1 minus 1 is equals to what? 0. That means from here, our s, by subtracting 1 from both sides, s equals to what? Minus what? 1. This is the value of x. And this is second value of x. Okay? Can you see how simple it is? Because minus 1 also can satisfy this equation. Okay? That's interesting. Now let's consider this. So here we're going to add this is what? S to the power of 2, because s times s is s squared minus x minus 1 equals to what? 0. This is linear equation. This is quadratic equation. So what are we going to do? We can still solve this by using what? Formula method. So from here, what is our a? Our a is equals to 1, comma, our b is equals to what? Minus 1. Since the coefficient of s is what? Minus 1, right? And our c is equals to what? Minus 1. Wow, this is interesting. That means our s will be equals to what? Minus b, which is minus, this will become 1 plus minus the square root of what? B square, which is minus 1 square, minus 4ac. A is what? A is 1. Then c is what? C is minus 1, right? Divided by what? 2 into a, which is 1. That means our s will be equals to 1 plus minus the square root of what? 1 minus 1 square is 1, right? I mean, yes, 1. Minus 1 times 4 is minus 4. Minus 4 times minus 1 is plus what? Plus 4 divided by what? Divided by what? 2. Because 1 times 2 times 1 is 2. So I'm going to add that this is s equals to 1 plus minus the square root of what? The square root of what? 5 divided by what? 2. That means our s will be equals to 1 plus root 5 divided by 2, or our s will be equals to 1 minus root 5 divided by what? 2. Now this is this is third value of x, and this is fourth value of what? X. Wow, this is amazing. That means when s is, look at when s is equals to 0, we satisfy the equation. Look at s equals, this is second value of x, and again the third value of s is s equals to 1 plus root 1 plus root what? Root 2 divided by 2. It's also the value of x, and here having s equals to 1 minus root 5 divided by 2, and this is the solution to this particular problem. So thank you so much for watching. Please, if you find it very interesting, don't hesitate. Do well to like, comment, also share it to your loved ones or others will learn from it. Please, if you're not subscribed to this channel, consider to subscribe to this channel so that anytime we upload an exciting video, you will notify. So thank you so much, and God bless you. Bye.